So happy days, my fantastic numismatic artistic friends. Master Temple here. We've got the till rating book. Absolutely belter of a coin that got in there last time, the rally car. We'll have a look at it in a bit. But when we go till rating, I must state this every time I make one of these videos. I only do so when it's safe to do a bit of till rating. I only go out when I need to go out for essentials. And I only use cash in shops that only use cash. They've got no card machines because it costs the company too much. So and I stick to every single guideline and health and safety regulation out there. I don't act foolish or anything like that. So that said, what we're doing, we're trying to find every single commemorative that's been released, the 50 pences and the 2 quids wise, and in his change. So we're asking these shops and they give if they've got any. Okay, sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. What we need, let's have a look at the book. So the only one that we're missing off this page, in fact the only one that we're missing from the £2 section, is the Commonwealth Games England. We've got Northern Ireland, in fact we've got that a few times, didn't we? We've got a couple of belters on there, a couple more belters on there. Magna Carta, one of my faves. Friends and family do help out as well sometimes, because sometimes they come across a few nice coins, so if you can, then it's safe to do so. Cadge it off them. Alright, nice looking army pals up there. Let's get you a bit closer. Right next to the Great Fire of London, that's rotated around a bit. So there is the rally cars. Fantastic coin. Okay, so what else do we need 50 pence wise? We've got a full page apart from the Kew Gardens. Now that is going to be a tricky one to get. I've done it before. I've found one before. I asked in a takeaway, and I got one, as well as I think it must be about 10 Olympics as well. Okay, speaking of Olympics, we need boxing and we need equestrian, which is horse jumping to you and me, football, handball and hockey, judo, triathlon, all the way up to diversity. We've got that. In fact, we've got that 20 odd times, 22, because out the back, little space up here for NIFCs. And that one there, as you probably know by now, if you've watched me for a while do this, is a 2019. Shouldn't be found in our circulation. So yeah, 22 diversities. A little bit of a tally chart down there. Just seeing how many I get. These are the new coins that have been released. If there's any new coins that get released, I'll make a new tally chart. See how many we find before we fill the book. And Commonwealth Games as well. Found 4 of those. Need to find the England one though. So just let me remind you guys, I did an epic video not so long back where I did the D-Day, the Decimal Day challenge. Bungle sent me a challenge and I made a little trophy, a little statue, and all the comments on there absolutely fantastic. All the likes, it's doing quite well. It's amazing. If you've not seen it, please do go see it and leave a comment, because at some point I will be doing a giveaway and it's tied up with that. Part of it's going to be tied up with that video. And if you've left a comment in there, you'll be into that giveaway, and you could get yourself something that I made. Okay, let's leave it at that. Okay, let's get on to coins. We've got a stack of 2 quids here, and we've got a stack of 50p. If I've got to be careful, really got to reach over. There we go. Of course, all we don't need goes into the old pig. Okay. Right, so let's have a look at 2 quids first, get them out of the way. Let's zoom in a bit. Here we go. I think that's close enough without wobbling everything. It's like I've got sea legs. Alright, so £2 wise, let's take the first stack here. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so what we got here? That's the Act of the Abolition of the Slave Trade. Now, this is the coin that's got an NIFC attached to it. This one has the orange peel effect on the background, on the silvery part. There's a smooth version of this, and I've got a theory on that. I did a video where I've got a theory on that. So if you want to go check that theory video out, I'll pop a link somewhere, or a little white banner or whatever they call it, card I think, up there. Okay, next one. We know this is going to be some at Bobby Dazzler, don't we? Because it's got the 5th effigy of the Queen on there. And it is a Shakespeare. The Hollow Crown. They're everywhere, them. Still quite nice coins. What's this one going to be? It says £2 up front. We've got a Lord Kitchener. Alright, there's a mule attached to that one, so keep an eye out. I think the mule says you done a £2 on bottom. Okay, right, next one up. It might be similar to this one. You know, this one doesn't say £2 on the bottom. Okay, what's that one? That one is the Guy Fawkes Gunpowder plot. Yep, remember the 5th of November. What's the rest of that poem? I can't remember. It was on a quiz show not so long back. If you know, folks, let me know. There's something like gunpowder in there. Alright, what's this one? This is the Army Pals. I tell you, we've got a boatload of these coming our way. £2. And we've got another Lord Kitchener. Alright. Pop you there. Last 3. What we got? Charles Dickens. Lovely coin, but it suffers from an high mintage, this one. Okay, here we go again, £2. Another Army Pals. And this one is an absolute belter. It looks like a new released coin. It's got marks, scuff marks that have come from the minting process. I think this is where it gets too hot as it's been pressed, but I could be wrong. And it's the epic coin, which is the Great Fire of London. It's an epic find, that. Epic find. Look at the detail in that. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. So what, we've got 7 coins, 7 different designs, should I say. So yeah, we're happy at that. So 50p wise, let's try and get through these 50p's without keeping you too long. Okay, 2016. What we got here? Without getting you dazzled by the light. We've got a Beatrix Potter anniversary coin. I actually like this. Found one last time, didn't we, buddy? It's a little bit grubbier than that. Okay, 2019. We've got a Sherlock Holmes. We know the mintage figures now for that one, so he can go back to the Piglet. 2018. People Act. Very common. Very common. Okay, 2020. What's this one going to be? Brexit. A breakfast coin, as King Christopher says. Okay, 2005. We've got the dictionary. Alright, what else we got? 2017. We've got Tom Kitten. Meow, meow. 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 Okay. 2020. We've got the diversity. So he'll go on Telechart. He'll go on Telechart for sure. What we've got here? Have we got another diversity? Whoop. We've got a Brexit that's running away from us. Okay, so you can go there. 2017. Benjamin Bunny. Now I'll take a pen and give him a squiggle. I'll put happy days on this and I'll set him free. I'll set him free. Just for a bit of fun. Okay, 2018. Nice one. We've got a train station at Paddington doing a bit of train spotting, eh? Cracking coin. And I think they're going to be keepers. And I don't keep it as such, he'll go in Piglet, but I think in a couple of years' time, they might be quite difficult to get hold of. Alright, what we got here? 2018. 2018. People Act. 2017. We've got Jeremy Fisher. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So, have we got the old lot yet? No, we need the rabbit. Could this be the rabbit? Yes, it could. Speak of the devil and he shall appear. So we've got the 2017 set. 2018. Another train station, Paddington. Cracking stuff. Alright. Actually, it was one of my lads that found one of those Paddingtons. He says, I found this, Dad, today. Right. So, 2 2011s. I can't remember which order they're in. 2 belters. You know what this means, don't you, folks? You know what this means. Okay, so what we got? We've got a cycling, which is pretty scuffed up, but it's an Olympic, so we're happy at that. And we've got another one. What's this one? This is hockey. So an absolute belter. One that we want to keep, I think so. Let's just double check the old album. Yeah. We need hockey. So join me in a minute, folks. I'll have hockey in there and we'll do a bit of a catch up. So happy days, my fantastic friends. These are the keepers apart from the one that we got in the book. Where is it? It's happy to fill a book, fill a space in the book. It takes so long. Where are we? It takes so long to do this, but it's good. I want to know, folks, if you've been finding anything like this for your collection. What's the one you found? And will I find? Do you think I'll find Commonwealth Games England before I'll find the queue? I don't know, but I've marked this off on the tally chart. That'll get signed. These will go in the keeper's books. Everything's hunky-dory. If you like these, by the way, I don't know if you can see it, this is the inserts made by Katie Jones Coins. They're absolutely amazing, belter. So go check her out if you wish to send some of these, because they're amazing. They're amazing. Okay, right, I'm waffling on. Let's leave it there. All right, folks, do take care. I'll see you all later. And as always, stay safe. Happy days.